Hey, this is a little project I've been working on. It's nothing crazy, it's just a simple Batman logo on a styrofoam. These we had a couple of these in the garage, and I almost threw them away. I didn't know what to do with them, and I had some paint in the garage, and I was like, maybe I could make something out of it. And it works as two things. It's an art you can have on your wall, and it's sound. Watching a loud movie or something, it absorbs the sound in your room. And if you have a girl over too, that could help as well. Wink, wink. But here, I'll show you some other stuff that I painted with the other ones that we had of these. Oh yeah, here's the other. So this one was like is the same size as the other one that was outside that you saw in the beginning. And what I did with this one, I put them together, put a tape over it, and then painted that side black and left the white under the tape, and then painted that in the middle with. And this is all like just stuff I found in the garage. Like I didn't go out and buy none of this stuff. This is all that was just there in the garage. I was bored over the weekend, and I made that, and then everybody loves it that comes into my room, So it's great because it's it's a cool art thing, and it absorbs the sound in the room. I have another one up here. Yeah, we just had like 6 or 7 of these just blank foam pieces in the garage. I don't know why they were there or who got them, but this one's pretty simple. I used the same gray onto this one. I just put 2 pieces of tape there, and I thought that looked pretty cool, and then just did it all gray there. Yeah, so like the Batman one, I'm not too happy with it. I may give it to my nephew or whatever. But I'm working on it now, so to make it look a little bit better, because I'm off right now. So I'm just gonna mess with it a little bit more, give it a little bit more detail. I wish I had like some serious paint stuff equipment, but man, I'm just using like markers and just stuff I'm finding around the house. I mean, and it looks okay. Not too bad. It's kind of this is like 3 years old already, and I just I went into my garage, my closet, and I found it. I was like, oh man, I was like, maybe I could do a little bit more stuff to it. I'll probably give it to my nephew. But yep, I just wanted to show you guys that. Hope you like it. Hope you think it's cool. If not or whatever, let me know in the comments. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching.